happy with the bread. It's my bread ready to go to the oven. See my bread. Oh, that's a beautiful bread. Oh, it's beautiful. That is done. Homemade bread. Bread, and today the kids and the husband already bring to school some, so now I'm gonna make a breakfast for myself. Andy really love it. He say, wow mama, can food cook? Yeah, okay. Put this on the side. A breakfast for myself. Salt, pepper for the bread. Put the bread here. Just simple. Put some cheese. Now we're gonna put the bread in the plastic for tomorrow. Okay, here we have the cast. The cheese there is already melting. Wow! Jadi deh my breakfast. My breakfast look today. Subscribe. Homemade bread is always tastes so good. And the mushroom, wow, so simple. That's so delicious. And so fresh. Everything so fresh, and really enjoy this breakfast. I mean, if you go out and buy this kind of breakfast, you're gonna spend for €8. Yeah, around €8. This is my breakfast today, and I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.